Welcome everyone. Thank you for purchasing our educational series on flipping houses. We are here in beautiful Green Bay, Wisconsin, an area where we flip houses. I want to make sure we're all on the same page that when we talk about flipping homes, what we mean is we go out, we purchase a house below market value, we renovate it, and then we sell it for a profit. How I got started flipping homes was I read a book when I was 14 years old called How I Made $1 Million Recycling Old Houses. And that book led me into my passion zone of flipping houses. I was able to flip my first home when I was in college, and I did 2 of them. I got a degree in construction management and went and worked for somebody else for a little while, and then I realized that while I was in college flipping houses, I did better than when I was working for someone full-time, working 60 hours a week. So at 24 years old, I decided to quit my full-time job and get into flipping houses full-time. And when I moved here, I realized that I really should become a real estate professional because I could get to the houses quicker, I could learn how the purchase contracts work, and then ultimately start searching and finding deals for myself and then collecting a commission on it. And then what I realized was after I was flipping houses for a while and selling, I just loved it so much that I wasn't going to do anything else ever again, so I decided to pursue the franchise of Keller Williams. And then I absolutely fell in love with it. So we've escalated our flipping business from where I literally did all the work on the first couple, from painting, demo, roofing. I did all of it in the beginning, and then I've escalated it to where I'm out of all of that, and we have contractors now that do all the work. I've also now hired someone who manages all the contractors, and I just come in to approve the purchase price and approve the job. What we did is we took the flipping model and we applied it to Henry Ford's manufacturing model of an assembly line. And so we take the property from the time it's purchased, and then we fix it, and we have each contractor call the next contractor, call the next contractor, all the way through to where it's a finished product at the end. What we hope everybody gets out of this educational series is why you should flip houses, how we flip houses, and then the pros and cons of flipping. I'm so glad that you guys are all here. I hope you learn a lot, and I hope that we inspire you to get out there and flip some houses.